Let's simplify market selection ranking. This doesn't need to be overly complex, so don't fall for the head fake of pseudo-complexity. If you've ever made a list in Excel or Google Sheets and written a simple formula, you can handle this. I'll share my approach to scoring, weighting, and ranking market data, and yes, it works in tools like Power BI too. So step 1, weight your factors. Not all factors are equally important, so we assign weights. Here's an example. Importance, 10 being the most important factor, or weighting. Satisfaction, 9. And we use an inverse formula here because satisfaction is the inverse of effort. Urgency, 8. Impact, 8. And so on. You can adjust the weights if you like, but the point is to focus on what matters most. And what matters most to you might be different than what matters most to me. Step 2, calculate the score. Here's the formula. Well, I'm not actually going to read it. You can check it out down below. This gives you a weighted score ranging from 84 to 420 based on how each factor is rated on a scale of 1 to 5 and given all possible combinations of scores. Step 3, rank the scores. There are 2 ranking methods I recommend. 1, ordinal ranking. Straightforward, ranking factors within a single market to identify struggles. Number 2 is scaled ranking. And this adds depth by showing the gap between ranks. For example, if the gap between number 2 and number 3 factors in one market is small, it's a closer competition than in a market where the gap is large. Step 4, compare and combine results. By asking the same structured questions across markets, you can treat them as competitors. Analyze overall priority rankings or dig deeper into why different markets rank factors differently. Finally, remember, scoring isn't the whole picture. Weigh your results against your organization's goals and capabilities. Do you have the competency? Can you develop it in time? Do you want to? The more responses you gather, the more confident you'll be in your decisions. And no, this cannot be done in a workshop. It takes real data. Now you're ready to rank with clarity and purpose.